So this is how I use the iPad when I am taking notes, studying, doing homework. I mainly use the three apps at the bottom: Notes Plus, Doc AS Lite, and Notability. I take my notes during class in Notability. So here you can see some notes from Math 8. Whenever I hear something important, I box it in red. So these are things that I want to study later. I like to cut them, there we go. I like to cut them out and put them in a new study sheet so that later when I'm studying, I just have something nice and concise and clean and easy to see exactly what I need to know. So I'll usually just flip back and forth between my notes and whatever sheet I've started to study from. And here, see if I want this figure, I can just grab that too and pull it right on in to my study sheet. So that's that. Now, when I want to do homework, I like to go into a different app, which is Notes Plus here. The reason I like to use Notes Plus is because it has this split screen kind of, and so I can have the problem set open at the same time. If I want to, I can just kind of look at one and write the problem. I'm in eraser mode. Oops. Switch to pen mode. So I can sort of just read and copy the problems just like this. More often, though, I do things a little bit differently. I can just go into the problem set and actually pull out the problem, and this is really handy, especially for long word problems where I don't want to write the whole thing, but I want to know exactly what I was given and what I had to find myself. So I can then put that in there. And then I'm also flipping between my notes if I need to while I'm doing the homework. I'm flipping to the textbook. Here it is open in the PDF reader, the Doc AS. You can see I can annotate that PDF reader as well. And just bounce in between these apps as I need them. I can zoom in on this and see what examples are going to help me solve the problem set. So you can really see how the iPad kind of falls short here. In the Galaxy Note or the Surface Pro that I mentioned in the article, you can have these windows all open at the same time, so you don't have to flip back and forth. The screens are a lot bigger, so you have room to work individually in all three windows.